Hey, how is everyone? Just a real short video to announce a giveaway I'll be having. I am going to install an RV cellular booster on my RV, and I decided to go with SureCall. So after reaching out to them for some information, they offered to send me a free unit to run a giveaway with here on my YouTube channel and website. So I have the unit, and it's a $449 value, and it comes with everything you see here. The Fusion2Go 3.0 power booster, which is their latest and greatest, the RV exterior antenna, the coaxial mount, power adapter, everything you'll need to install one on your rig, and you'll have a chance to win it. I'll put a link below to my website. We'll put a few different ways you can enter. We'll run it for about 2 weeks. I'll do a video on my install and a complete review maybe in a week or two. But for now, just click the link and make sure you enter. I want to thank you for watching, and if you haven't, subscribe. Try that again. We win this? Well, that didn't sound good. Wipe the sweat from my face. I think I should try this again. Hey, how is it? Well, look, this should be simple.